If you coat a full screen with chemical, you just have to tape the 4 edges so that the ink will not penetrate from the edges. If you coat half screen or you do different design on the same mesh, you have to cover the other design with cardboard paper and use sellotape to make it stick to the mesh. At least always make sure half of the tape is on the mesh to make it stick better. When you are planning your artwork on the mesh, make sure to plan for space for nylon to the hinge clamp. Tighten your mesh to the hinge clamp to hold the mesh. You can use the eye gauge to position the design on the nylon fabric if you can. Setting and position your design on nylon fabric with your artwork design. You can use ruler to make the position perfect or eye gauge if you can. This nylon down is what will stand as the gauge or settings to place the other nylon for registration. There are different methods we can use for registration.
If there is anything you don't understand, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be there to answer you. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.